Layla from Kettle Fresh Fudge, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make our delicious pralines using our premium praline mix. Let's get started. We will be making a half batch in our Savage Brothers fudge kettle. We will first need to turn on the kettle by pulling the safety switch. Next, we will turn on the heat and the agitator. Double check that the product temperature is set to 150 and the kettle temp is set to 170. Next, we are going to add 1 pound of butter and the water to the kettle. Check your instructions for the suggested amount of water to use. Once the butter is melted, you can add 1 bag of Part 1 praline mix and cover with the lid. You may also tilt and lock the kettle into the first detemp position for better mixing. Set your timer to 12 minutes. After approximately half the time, you need to stop the agitator and scrape down any product that may be stuck to the agitator assembly. Then restart the agitator and cover with the lid. Once timer goes off, verify that the Part 1 is thoroughly mixed with no clumps or unmixed product remaining. If needed, break up any clumps with your rubber spatula and allow product to cook until completely mixed. Now slowly pour 1 bag of Part 2 praline mix into the kettle, along with 1 flavor cup and 1 bag of the pecans. After pouring in the pecans, cover with the lid. Set timer to 20 minutes. After approximately half the time, remove the lid and scrape down any product that may be stuck to the agitator assembly. Then recover with the lid. Prepare the cooling racks by lining them with the pan liners. You will need enough area to dip out approximately 80 pralines. An elevated wire mesh cooling rack works the best and is highly recommended. Once timer goes off, stop the agitator and verify that the product is thoroughly mixed with no clumps or unmixed product remaining. If needed, break up any clumps with your rubber spatula and allow product to cook until completely mixed. Now that they are finished, stop agitator and tilt kettle to a level that is comfortable for dipping. Lock kettle into this detemp position. Dip the pralines out of the kettle. You'll use a 2-ounce scoop commonly used for ice cream. Carefully dip out 1 level praline onto the cooling rack. The praline should settle into a 3 to 3.5 inch patty. Let the praline settle and form its shape on its own. For the correct appearance, we don't recommend that you flatten the praline with your rubber spatula. If the praline is too thick and does not settle into the shape you see here, then you will need to correct the consistency of the batch. To do this, turn on the agitator, add a small amount of water to the product in the kettle, and allow it to mix. After 2 minutes, dip another praline and reevaluate. Repeat until the correct consistency is achieved. Continue to dip the rest of the batch onto your cooling racks. It may help to occasionally restart your agitator so you maintain the correct ratio of pecans in each praline. Once the pralines are all dipped from the kettle, allow them to set up overnight. A half batch will yield 75 to 83 ounce pralines. They are ready to serve when you easily pull away from the pan liner the following day. We hope your customers will love this buttery, sweet, and nutty treat. For more information about our pralines or our complete fudge retailing program, please visit our website, kettlefreshfudge.com, or call us at 800-382-4788.